I just lost $1,040 and I deserve it. Not because the strategy failed, not because the market manipulated me, but because I got a little bit overconfident. And if you trade, you already know one small shift in discipline can cost you big. The difference between beginners and consistent trader is not avoiding losses, but it's how they respond them. In today's video, I'm not hiding this loss. I'm going to show you exactly how I reset, control my emotions, and use the same moving average strategy, which I've already explained in my previous video, and I will be recovering this 1040 loss step by step. For my recovery session, I'll be risking 5% of my capital per setup, but here's the important part. If I find high quality confirmation, I may scale in with multiple entries as well, not randomly, not emotionally, only when the setup is strong and aligns perfectly with my moving average rules. Yes, the loss is big, but I need to be slightly aggressive. At the same time, I need to be extremely calculative as well. So without further delay, let's get started. Now, as per my moving average rule, here there's a breakout of my moving average EMA setting I have already provided in my previous video. So as per my rules, the next trade should be a call entry. The next candle should be a green candle, which is why I have directly taken my call entry at the opening. And as a marginal safety, I'm going with my multiple call entries trade as well, which I have already mentioned. I am going to be a little bit aggressive with my entries because my loss is high, which is why I need to be a little bit calculative as well. So here I have placed my marginal safety entry and directly call entry at the opening of the candle. According to my analysis, this candle should close as a green one, a green hammer. Let's see how this trade goes on, because if you see the previous candle has given us multiple rejection from our moving average line, which is a very strong confirmation, and it is a valid breakout as well. Because of this reason, I have taken a call entry, and look at that, the candle is exactly going on our favor and it should close as a green candle. So as I anticipated, this is a winning trade. Because of my timer setting, the trades are taking a little longer to close. I should have adjusted it back to my default timing, but I forgot to change the setting before entering the trades. I was so excited to recover my loss that I forgot to change the settings. However, because of my marginal safety entries, all of my trades are win. And if you don't know about moving average setting, I have made a separate video in my playlist. You can check that out. The settings here is not the default setting, but it's a different setting which I have provided as well. So let's go and check out another currency pair for high probability trade setup. I am currently scanning through multiple currency pairs to find that perfect trade setup. My entries needs to be extremely precise so I don't rush. I analyze different pairs patiently. Remember, you must avoid abnormal or impulsive candles. Always observe how the candles are behaving around your moving average line. I need to take few more trades to recover my loss, so I'm looking for a fresh breakout from my moving average line with a candle confirmation, and let's see if I find. Okay, perfect. Now, for example, in this currency pair, the price is clearly moving below the moving average line, which indicates bearish pressure. Now, look at the red doji rejecting directly from our moving average line. That's a very strong confirmation for a put entry. Based on that confirmation, I took a trade immediately, and if the candle had pushed slightly higher, I would have considered a marginal safety entry as well, but that situation did not occur, and still I'm satisfied with my entry. And as you can see, this trade is going in my favor, and this is also going to be a direct win. Now, this is what I call a beautiful trade setup: clean, precise, and perfect execution. That's exactly how your trades should be taken. No impulsive decision, no emotional entries, only clear logic and proper confirmation. Whether you are trading with indicator or pure price action, your strategy must be crystal clear before you enter the market. Every trade should have a reason behind it, not just a feeling. This is how disciplined trading looks like. All right, let's continue scanning and find the next high quality currency pair for my another setup. For that perfect entry, I will be looking another currency pair. Okay, I can see a trade setup going on, and if the current candle close as a green one, I will be taking a call entry direct at the opening of the candle. So as you can see, the candles are now moving above our moving average line, and this is a strong healthy green candle closing above our moving average line, so I can consider this as a clean breakout as well. So after closing this candle, I will be directly going with my call entry. Remember guys, I am taking trades with my continuation entry, with a green candle. Afterward, I'm going with a call entry right after closing the green candle, because I'm looking for a continuation trade, not a reversal one. I'm taking trade with the help of my moving average line. And yes, I have already mentioned this before as well. I have made a separate video on this moving average strategy, and it works perfectly fine. As you can see, I'm taking my all my trades are based on this strategy, and now even this trade is going in my favor, and this is also a direct win. If this candle moved slightly little down to my moving average line, I would have placed my marginal safety entry, but that didn't happen. But that's fine. This trade is running in my favor, and this is a direct win. Look at that beautiful candle going in my favor. You can clearly see how powerful this strategy is. This is exactly why I'm giving you as many real examples as possible. Just a while ago, I was down with $1,040, and now if I have to show you my leaderboard, I think I'm approximately up by $2,000 in profit. That's a solid recovery, and these all are real trades. This is why I am never afraid of losses. Losses are part of trading. What truly matters is having the knowledge, the skill, and the discipline to turn a setback into a comeback. I want you to take this as a motivation, not to chase losses emotionally, but to focus on building your strategy, your mindset, and your consistency. I'll be back with another powerful video soon. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. The link is mentioned down in the description box below. And as always, happy trading.